It's just past 8 p.m. on on the Saturday night here in Brighton. The weekend is winding down. The traffic on a King's Road is thinning out, and the city is starting to trade its energy for a quiet golden hum. So look at these buildings. There is so much history in this white stone of the harbour hotels, reflecting the amber glow of the street lamps along the this promenade. And from here, everything feels solid and permanent. But as you turn away the pavement and walk towards the railing, that feeling changes. You leave the warmth of the city behind, and you are met with a vast, cold breath of the English Channel on your left side. Can you hear that? I'll go further near to the seashore. So, to my right side, the I-360 is a giant glowing spear of light. It's a modern heartbeat of the seafront, standing guard over the empty beach arches. But look past the tower. Look past the tower. When darkness really begins, those lights on the horizon is a wording. And if we go further up here, far in the English Channel, I need to zoom in. Just give me. The Brighton beach isn't soft. Let's go further. So the Brighton beach isn't soft. It's made of millions of ancient rounded flints. When the tide comes in on a ride like this, the sound is unlike any other beach in the world. So it's a heavy grinding roar as the water drags the stones back down. So listen to the weight of it. It's a constant rhythmic reminder of the power sitting right in front of us. In the daytime, this place is full of crowds and laughter, but at night, it's just raw elements. The water is deep, bruised purple tonight, almost black, stretching out until it disappears into the sky. And looking further out, where the darkness really begins, those lights. Let me zoom in. Look further out, where the horizon meets that Rampion Wind Farm. I believe that. You can see those lights on the horizon. They look like a constellation that fell into the sea. That's the Rampion Wind Farm. Scores of turbines, miles out, blinking in a synchronized red and yellow rhythm. I can clearly see them from the beach. So there's something hauntingly beautiful about it. So knowing that while the city sleeps, Those blades are turning in the dark, caught in the same wind. They're hitting my face right now. It feels like a secret city out there on the water. This is really nice. So I'm going to say, and I would like to show the beauty of the night. And then there's a reason why I'm here tonight. Look up. It's Saturday night, full moon is sitting there perfectly framed, casting a long shimmering silver board across the surface of the channel. And that's the beauty. It's a naked beauty. No neon, no electricity. Just the same light that has guided sailors into this coast for thousands of years. It makes the city lights behind us seem so small and temporary. Standing here with the wind in your hair, and the moonlight on the water, you realize that this is the real Brighton. Quiet midnight brings silver board across the surface of this channel. And that's the beauty. It's a naked beauty. No neon, no electricity. Just the same light that has guided sailors into this coast for thousands of years. It makes the city lights behind us seem so small and temporary. Standing here with the wind in your hair, and the moonlight on the water, you realize that this is the real Brighton. Quiet midnight Brighton, and that's the Palace Pier. You can see the shimmering lights widen into the sea. That's the longest pier. You can hear the sound of the sea now. I'm walking further down. This is the beauty. That's one of the sheep. You can see the light is blinking. You know that the temperature is not good and my hands are freezing even though I wore the gloves. You see this? Grand Hotel. The moonlight is spread over the beach and over the sea. I'm recording this video in cinematic view, 4K 30 frames per second. I have increased the exposure to the highest, which is +2. And this light is just a reflection. This is the light of the moon on the seashore and the seafront. Look at this, beautiful. Brighton Beach. Hopefully you can hear the sea. And that's all for tonight. See you in the next video. Bye, good night.